This is question 4. We want to find the total surface area of this frustum, which is shown below here. So what you basically have here is a cone which has had the top part removed. Okay, so if we want to find the surface area, we notice that we've got two circles, the top and bottom circle. So we can do these areas first. So call this area 1. This can be area 2, the bottom circle. The area 1 is pi r squared, which is pi times 4 squared, because this length is 8, so the radius is 4. And area 2 is also pi r squared, pi times, in this case, the radius is 8 squared. So we'll end up with 16 pi, which is 50.265. And this is 64 pi, which is 201.06. We will need these for later because we need to add them into the total area like that. Okay, so now we need to find this lateral area. Let's clean our picture. So what you need to find now is this surface here. What you should notice is that there are two cones here. You've got a big cone and we'll redraw it. So the total height of the big cone, including the bit that's removed, is 30. So that height of that cone is 30. And the radius of the base here is 8. Right. So remember, for lateral area, the formula is pi RL. So what you need to find here is L, the slant length. So we'll do that first. Well, let's write in pi R, which is 8. But now you need to find L, which goes here. So from Pythagoras, 8 squared plus the height, 30 squared, is equal to L squared. So by using your calculator, L will be equal to 31.048. That's centimetre. Okay, so that number goes back here, 31.048. So what would be that total curved area then? 780.33 cm squared. So that's the complete lateral area, including the bit which has been cut off. Okay, so clean up again, and we'll highlight that area. So that includes the part which has been removed, top cone. But now you need to find the area of this small cone here, the one that is removed. And that is also pi RL. So if we draw this in, this is the L, 15 is the height, and the radius here is 4, half of 8. So it would be pi R, which is 4, but then again, we need this length again. So do our Pythagoras again. So we'll have 15 squared plus 4 squared equals L squared. L here would be root 241. Okay, so putting that number in here, root 241, will give us the small cone area, which is 195.08. That's the area, the lateral area of the cone which has been removed, this part here. Okay, so what you need to do now is actually find this area. To do that, we need to subtract these two numbers. So that would be, so the required area, required lateral area, is 780.33 minus the small cone, which has been removed, 195.08. What does that equal? 585.25 cm squared. So we'll highlight that. So what we need now is to add our three areas. So our total area is the sum of the three areas, the top circle, the bottom circle, and the lateral area. So 50.265 plus 201.06 plus the lateral area, 585.25. The required area then is 836.58 square centimeters. So that's your final answer here.